Are you wondering what charger can be used to charge your Samsung S26 Ultra or the S26? So first, when it comes to charging speeds, the base S26 get 25 watts of charging speed and the Ultra gets 60 watts of charging speed. So obviously the charger type will depend on what kind of model you have. So if you have the Ultra, so again, make sure your charger can actually output at least 60 watts from the port. So Samsung also sells like official charger for these phones, 60 watt one, but again, you do not have to actually purchase the original because it's actually quite costly. So as long as the charger is of decent quality and it can actually output at least 60 watts basically from the type C, it's good to go. Also, for example, you see on the back of the chargers, you can see outputs here as well. So make sure it says for the 5 volts at least 3 amps. So if it says less, that means the charger won't be strong enough for your phone. And also the Ultra has got 25 watts of wireless charging speeds. So again, make sure your wireless charger can output at least 25 watts. Again, it doesn't matter what kind of brand you use, as long as it's decent quality, it's fine. You don't have to spend like crazy money on the official Samsung. For the base S26, you can get away with 25 watt charger. So any charger pretty much will charge it as well. Also, you can charge your phones from a Type C port as well. So any Type C port. If you plug it in your PC, laptop, you can charge your phone. But if you basically plug it in maybe some kind of slow Type C port, obviously you won't be able to charge at full speed. So again, best is like a dedicated power brick that can actually deliver through 60 watts from the actual like port. Also, for example, as see some of these chargers says, for example, this can deliver 65 watts, but that's complete BS. So it's actually split across all of these ports, and each port can maybe deliver only like 25 watts on this charger. So you have to actually check carefully if actually each port, if you have multi-port charger, can actually deliver the 60 watts to take advantage of the full charging speed. Good luck.